Hi friends, this is Prabhu Swami from Excel Buddy. So today we are going to learn if error with VLOOKUP function. So let's go to the workbook and see how this function is used. So now, so um, so now I'm going to use the VLOOKUP function to get the capital city of the countries. These countries, okay. What equal to San VLOOKUP, okay. My lookup value is Canada, and my table is from A to E. So I'm going to fix this range on a comma, and capital city is in the second column from the lookup value. Now I want the exact match. So I'm entering 0, that is false. So close the bracket, press enter. So now here, no, so there is no, I think the Canada is not there in this table. That's why it's thrown an error. So let me copy these and apply to the rest of the cells. So I think Canada is not found. So the NA value is now looks something an odd, right? So I don't want to see the NA. So instead of that, I want uh, the customized comment. So I want when there is no data found in this table, okay. So I want the comment should be updated as data not found. So for that, I'm going to use the if error condition before the VLOOKUP function. So if error, okay. So now my value is this, okay. If value is not found or error, so I want the comment as data not found. So this comment should be written instead of error. Okay, let's press enter and see how this looks nice, right? So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.